Good morning, children. Welcome back to the channel English with Devangan sir. I'm Suresh Kumar Devangan. Children, those who are new today, watching it for the first time, let me tell you, I'm here with a series for all the 19 lessons of Flamingo and Vistas. This is the third video of the season. In video 1, I have given for the last lesson. Video 2, it was Lost Spring, and here I am with video 3. Children, I have studied 10 years board question paper, 5 sample papers issued by different publications, CBSE sample paper, and the study material provided by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I have come to a conclusion from one lesson. Mostly these are the questions that is asked. Either they will ask you to describe the incident caused Douglas fear of water, or they will ask you how did Douglas overcome fear of water. What role did swimming instructor play in Douglas' life? The role of swimming instructor. And then the fourth question is, what is the central theme of deep water? And then, how does Douglas' experiences illustrate Roosevelt quote? The only thing we need to fear is fear itself. That is the question mostly asked for 5 marks. And then, what lesson does the story teach about facing fear? डिस्क्राइब डगलस जर्नी फ्रॉम फियर टू कॉन्फिडेंस. अब इसमें सारी चीजें आ जाती फियर टू कॉन्फिडेंस में लेकर राइट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग. वो year old and had gone to California beach with his father, where he was nearly drowned in California beach, to the till the end when he learned completely. And the last question, why is this story considered an inspiring autobiographical account? Children, there are many videos in YouTube, many study material in Google and all. You can watch whatever you wish to. Why I recommend this video to you? Because it is one thing, 6 to 7 minute video, the very first thing. Second thing, 8 questions are there, but I have prepared a universal answer which you can write anywhere and everywhere. This answer you can write everywhere. It fits, it suits for all the questions asked from this lesson. Just you need to do is, you have to choose. I have to start with the first line, or I have to start with the middle and all, according to the question. And if it is 6 mark, 5 mark question, write the whole answer, and I am pretty sure, children, you will be getting 5 on 5 and 2 on 2. Without wasting much of time, let me begin with the answer. You will find yourself that this answer is worth learning. Now, I'll begin with the answer. Keep all 8 questions in mind. Deep Water by William Douglas is an inspiring article through determination and willpower. 2 words we have highlighted, the determination and willpower of the author. Both the things are given. The narrative describes Douglas' traumatic childhood experience of nearly drowning in YMCA pool. YMCA से अगर क्वेश्चन कुछ भी आता है तो these line are going to be useful. आपको कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कहीं भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. इन लाइंस को बाय हार्ट आप लर्न कर लीजिए. When an 18-year-old boy threw him into the deep end, so that thing revives in his mind. This incident left him with a paralyzing fear of water that persisted for years, preventing him from enjoying water-related activities. He was not able to enjoy any of the water-related activities. सारा पास्ट टेंस में लिखा हुआ है, वो आपका सेकंड फॉर्म है, ये बात आपको पहले से पता है. डगलस जर्नी फ्रॉम टेरर टू ट्रम्प demonstrate present simple tense. Douglas' journey from terror to triumph demonstrates the power of systematic effort and professional guidance. Verb का second form. He hired an instructor, taught him swimming step by step over several months, building his confidence. Even after learning to swim, Douglas tested himself in various water bodies to ensure complete victory over his fear. The story conveys Roosevelt's wisdom that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. बच्चों इस चीज को नोट कर लो, ये क्वेश्चन कई बार 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन में आ चुका है. एक्सप्लेन. only thing we have to fear is fear itself. अब आपको पूरा विलियम डगलस का बचपन से लेकर एंड तक की स्टोरी लिखनी पड़ेगी, एंड दैट आई हैव गिवन इन 7 to 8 lines in short. So children, it is the and is going to be very useful to you. Once again, the story conveys Roosevelt's wisdom that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Douglas' experience teaches us that fears, however deep rooted, can be overcome through patience, persistence, and proper training. ये तीनों लाइन याद रख, ये वर्ड याद रख लीजिए. Patience, persistence, and proper training. His transformation from a terrified victim to a confident swimmer symbolizes human resilience and triumph of willpower over psychological barriers. Children, that's all in this video. As I said, it's not going 7 minutes, you must have 6 minutes or 7 minute video. Watch it twice, it will consume 15 minutes of yours, and then write your answer. You will take 5 minutes to write the answer. Write it, check it yourself, get it checked by your teacher, and surely your teacher will appreciate you for your effort. Thank you, children. Meet you tomorrow with the next video. Remember, I have given in description box the link of this PDF which you can take print out. You can download it also. I have also given the link for MCQs, extract based question. 6 marks question will be there from Flamingo lessons. So for that also separate video is there. You can watch it if you wish to. Thank you. Good luck. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow in the next video.